There's been a lot of consolidation, merger, acquisition, divestitures, particularly in this area where you have large capital equipment manufacturers that are, really starting to enter into global marketplaces, global competition. Even the US and Canadian manufacturers are contributing to that by going into Europe and going into the Pacific Rim area. So we're seeing a lot of that consolidation and global competition kind of merging together and creating a lot of churn within this particular sector. That's something that IFS can really help those companies manage through that when they're doing a lot of consolidations and acquisitions, mergers, disparate systems. And a lot of it's driven by supply chain right now, the transportation issues that people have, getting raw material or getting semi-finished goods. Those are all driving some of that consolidation, global competition, supply chain. They interact quite a bit with each other. Adapting digital transformation, really what that means is automating, putting in more robotics, putting in more automated conveyor systems, putting in welding robots, all of those types of things. Really not just for the sake of doing it, but down below you'll see skilled labor shortage. I don't think I've talked to a single manufacturer here in the last 2 years, even before the pandemic, that they didn't have trouble filling their skilled labor jobs that they had. As part of that, they're trying to automate some of their processes to eliminate the need to have to constantly be finding people and training them and all the churn that's happening in the market right now. The regulations that are out there continues to be more and more trade regulations that are coming in, tariffs, that affect our industrial capital equipment manufacturers, as well as various regulations around pollutants, paint, handling of paints in their facilities and solvents. So there's just a lot of regulations that companies have to comply with today.